The volume button is on the left. The power button is on the top. And the record button is on the right. To turn on the translator, press and hold the power button. To power off or restart, press and hold the power button again and select the desired option. To force restart the translator when a problem occurs, press and hold the power button for 20 seconds. If you are using the translator for the first time, please refer to the operation guide on the interface to activate the device. The activation process takes approximately 2 minutes, during which the translator can only perform translations while connected to Wi-Fi. After activation, the global free traffic built in the translator can be used. To connect to Wi-Fi, go to Settings, Network and Connection, WLAN. There are 4 pages available for the translator, which include photo translation, one-button translation, offline translation and settings from left to right. You can swipe left or right on the screen to switch between them. To bring up the quick setting bar, swipe down on the screen status bar. You can adjust the font size directly from here. In one-button translation, tap here to select the target language and your native language. There's no need to switch or press buttons when speaking in either language. Simply hold down the button to talk and the translator will automatically recognize the language. Press and hold the record button and start speaking. When you release the button, the translator will display the translation result and play the translated audio. Even if your screen is off, you can still activate the one-button translation function by pressing and holding the record button, and start speaking directly.
这个翻译机只需要按一个按键哦。
This translator only needs to press a button.
So if I speak English, this can translate?
所以如果我说英语，这可以翻译。
Wow! This really can translate. It's great!
这真的可以翻译，真棒。
In photo translation mode, tap here to select the language. Tap the photo button, and the translator will automatically scan and translate the text. Tap the button in the lower right corner to view the original text and the translated text. Tap the button in the lower left corner to view the translated text. Tap anywhere on the screen to view the corresponding translated text here. Tap the button in the middle to take another photo. In offline translation, it is recommended to download offline language packages when connected to Wi-Fi. You can store up to 4 offline language packages at the same time. To delete an offline language package, swipe left on the screen to enter the settings interface. Then tap System Settings, Storage Space, Offline Translation Package. Select the offline language package you want to delete and tap Delete in the lower right corner or Delete All in the lower left corner. Click to select offline language. In offline translation, you need to press and hold the corresponding button and speak. When you release the button, the translator will automatically display the translation result and play the translated audio.
现在没有网络，翻译机也可以用的。
Now you can use it without a web translator.
I know. This is called offline translation.
我知道这叫做离线翻译。
Swipe up on the screen from the bottom of the one-button translation interface to activate the Quick Sentences function. You can customize the text you want to use in Settings, Quick Sentences. It supports voice input and typing input.